What's up, everybody? Jason Cole here with RCGroups.com. We've got another review for you. This is the Twisted Hobbies ProXy FPV plane. In my opinion, it's the ultimate proximity FPV plane on the market. I'm going to tell you and show you why I believe that here in just a little bit. But first off, I wanted to thank Twisted Hobbies for sending out this kit and electronics for the review. You can see the full review on our website at RCGroups.com. I'll have that full link in the description. Be sure to click that and check it out. So, let's get started. The ProXy is a kit. Let's go over some specs real quick. It's got a 44-inch wingspan. It's 37 inches long. Mine came out to 13.5 ounces ready to fly. They provided an Elon 2205 2600 kV motor, a Crack Series 15 amp ESC, a Dow 5-inch 3-blade prop, and all of the Metal Gear servos that you need, 4 of those guys to put in this plane. They also sent the Spotter V2 camera transmitter combo, and that worked out really great. You can buy the kit at Twisted Hobbies website for $98.99, and then you can add on the components or use your own gear, whatever you like. So let's get right into the build here. This is a kit, and you are going to have to put this plane together from the parts, but don't let that intimidate you. It's not hard. It's simple. There's great instructions online at RC Groups. I'll also have those links in the description as well and in the full review. But you just need a little bit of foam tack adhesive and some CA glue. Comes with everything else you're going to need, and you just build it per the instructions. It comes out straight and easy. All the tabs align perfectly, the slots fit. They did a really good job engineering and designing the way this goes together. So beginners can do this, you're not going to have a problem. If you're a drone guy, you've never built an airplane before, just read the thread on RC Groups. You're going to be able to figure it out. It's not difficult. It's not, easy to screw something up to where you can't fix it or repair it. This EPP foam, if you don't know anything about EPP, it's super durable, it's tough, it's easy to work with, it's flexible, it bounces and springs back to its original position. You're going to love this foam. I had a drone guy, when he first saw the ProXy, he's like, oh man, that looks really fragile. I'm like, oh man, you have no idea. And proceeded to crash it into trees and bounce it off the ground and really show them what this airplane is capable of and how durable it is. And that's going to be a big hit for the drone guys. Alright, so you've been watching some line of sight footage here at the field, and you can see it's a fun sport aerobatic park flyer. You can fly it in small spaces. I actually flew it in a gymnasium and was fine. So you can do it that way, but FPV is really where this thing comes alive. And I wanted to thank local pilot Jeff Bates for meeting me out at the local FPV spot and offering to do some chase footage for me for this review, so I really appreciate that. And I can tell you guys, I had so much fun flying this thing in FPV. It really is the ultimate freestyle FPV airplane that you can get. It's kind of like a drone, but it's an airplane, and so you can fly it in different ways that you can't fly drones. But you still retain the same level of confidence you have flying through gaps and proximity to trees and obstacles, and you don't have to worry about the airplane. It's EPP foam. So I crashed it in a tree, I bounced it off the ground, we got it stuck in a tree and I had to throw a stick at it to knock it out and let it fall down, and it landed nose first, bounced, and landed right back on its wheels, and you're able to take off again and keep flying. So you really get that confidence to do dangerous, aggressive flying, that you get that thrill and adrenaline pumping in your body that you get with drones. You can now do this with airplanes. It's not designed for speed. It's not designed for long distance cruising. It is made to be small field, park flying, proximity fun. So you go around at a place like this with a lot of trees, a lot of obstacles. You can do aerobatics. You can fly inverted. Man, you just really can just tear it up in this small space and do whatever you like. So you have all this freedom to fly the way you want to fly and not have any worries about damaging your airplane. So, I mean, for me, it was so much fun. I didn't want to stop. I kept flying pack after pack, and all I want to do now is go out and fly this thing. It's got a ton of power. You can see vertical climbs, aerobatics. It just does it all. And for me, flying with the wheels, landing gear. I was running down this strip doing touch and goes, easily landing in this basketball court, taking off in a matter of a couple of feet. You know, you don't have to hand launch and then try to fiddle with getting your goggles on. You can start right in, take off. It's highly controllable. It is so much fun, guys. So we're just going to enjoy the rest of this footage here, and you can see for yourself what the ProXy is capable of in my hands with limited flight time. So I'm sure we're going to see some epic footage coming out of these airplanes not too long from now. But man, I really enjoyed it. For me, this is the ultimate FPV proximity plane. Like I said before, it just is what I want this plane to be. And I think you're going to like it a lot as well. So looking forward to seeing a lot of ProXys out there. I think we're going to have a big get-together at Joe Nall in May and fly a bunch of these around the grounds there. So really looking forward to that. But that's all for now, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Like this video. If you like what you see, we really appreciate that. Leave a comment. We're happy to talk to you there as well. But be sure to visit RCGroups.com. Click that link in the description. You'll see the full review, all the RC goodness you can handle at that site. So that's it, guys. We appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next video. That was fun.